Welcome to Drive Future. What if the world's most luxurious SUV was about to become even more powerful, more intelligent and more exclusive than anyone imagined? The 2027 Rolls-Royce SUV is already creating massive speculation because insiders believe this could be the most advanced ultra-luxury SUV the brand has ever considered, while rivals like Bentley, Mercedes-Maybach, and Range Rover continue chasing perfection. Rolls-Royce appears ready to raise the standard once again with breathtaking craftsmanship, futuristic technology, and an experience that could make every other luxury SUV feel ordinary. But here's the surprising part. Hidden beneath all the luxury rumors is one incredible detail that could completely change the way wealthy buyers look at high-end SUVs forever, and we'll reveal that game-changing secret before this video ends. So make sure you stay with us because you won't want to miss it. Rolls-Royce has never been interested in following trends. Instead, the company creates vehicles that define them. The success of the Cullinan proved that even the world's most prestigious luxury brand could dominate the SUV market without sacrificing elegance. Now, the rumored 2027 model could push that philosophy much further by blending timeless craftsmanship with next-generation innovation. Imagine approaching an SUV that instantly recognizes its owner, softly illuminates the famous Pantheon grille, and silently welcomes you with signature coach, doors that transform every arrival into a grand occasion. Every surface is expected to reflect handcrafted perfection, from polished metal accents to carefully selected sustainable materials that maintain Rolls-Royce's legendary attention to detail. The exterior could become even more commanding with slimmer laser lighting, a cleaner front fascia, sculpted body lines, larger aerodynamic wheels, and an unmistakable road presence that demands attention without shouting for it. This wouldn't simply be another luxury SUV, it would be a statement of power, success, and absolute confidence. Inside, expectations become even more exciting. Rolls-Royce has always focused on creating a peaceful sanctuary rather than just another cabin, and the 2027 SUV may redefine comfort entirely. Rumors suggest intelligent seating capable of automatically adjusting posture during long journeys, advanced climate zones tailored to each passenger, and premium materials enhanced by handcrafted embroidery that requires dozens of hours to complete. Imagine looking upward and seeing an even more spectacular starlight headliner capable of creating customized constellations based on meaningful dates or personal memories. Every detail would remind passengers that this isn't transportation. It's an experience unlike anything else on the road. Technology is also expected to take a dramatic leap forward. Instead of overwhelming drivers with complicated controls, Rolls-Royce will likely focus on effortless interaction. Voice commands powered by advanced artificial intelligence may control nearly every function naturally, while augmented reality displays provide essential information without distracting from the drive. Rear passengers could enjoy cinema-quality entertainment systems, individual executive lounges, and seamless connectivity that transforms the cabin into a luxurious mobile office or private relaxation suite. If you're enjoying discovering what the future of automotive luxury could look like, take a moment to subscribe to Drive Future and leave a like because we're constantly exploring the world's most exciting upcoming vehicles before they officially arrive. Now let's talk about performance, because luxury means very little without effortless power. Industry speculation suggests the 2027 Rolls-Royce SUV could continue offering an exceptionally refined twin-turbocharged V12 while simultaneously preparing for an electrified future. Some reports even hint at a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system, delivering breathtaking acceleration while maintaining the whisper-quiet driving experience Rolls-Royce owners expect. Others believe a fully electric flagship inspired by the Spectre could eventually influence this SUV's engineering, providing instant torque, nearly silent operation, and remarkable efficiency without sacrificing prestige. Regardless of the final powertrain, one thing seems certain. The driving experience will prioritize smoothness above everything else. Instead of chasing aggressive lap times, Rolls-Royce engineers will likely perfect the famous magic carpet ride using predictive suspension systems that scan the road ahead, adjusting hundreds of times every second before imperfections are even felt. The result could be an SUV that glides over broken pavement as though it simply doesn't exist. Safety and intelligent assistance will also become more sophisticated. Advanced driver support systems could quietly monitor traffic, anticipate hazards, and reduce fatigue during long-distance travel without ever interrupting the calm atmosphere inside the cabin. Parking such a large luxury vehicle may become surprisingly effortless through enhanced autonomous parking technology and high-definition camera systems offering an unmatched view of the surroundings. Of course, exclusivity remains one of Rolls-Royce's greatest strengths. Buyers are expected to personalize nearly every element, selecting unique exterior colors, rare wood veneers, custom leather combinations, embroidered family emblems, and even bespoke artwork integrated directly into the dashboard. This extraordinary level of customization ensures no two vehicles are ever truly identical, making every owner feel like they possess a one-of-one masterpiece. Pricing will almost certainly remain beyond the reach of most buyers, potentially starting well above $400,000 before personalization adds hundreds of thousands more. Yet for Rolls-Royce customers, true luxury has never been about affordability. It's about owning something exceptionally rare that reflects personal identity and unmatched craftsmanship. And now it's time for the hidden reveal we promised at the beginning. The biggest surprise surrounding the rumored 2027 Rolls-Royce SUV isn't just its luxury, technology, or performance. Industry insiders believe Rolls-Royce could introduce its most advanced predictive artificial intelligence ever, learning the owner's habits over time, automatically preparing preferred seating positions, climate settings, entertainment choices, navigation routes, lighting themes, and even suggesting destinations before the driver asks. If that becomes reality, the 2027 Rolls-Royce SUV won't simply respond to its owner. It will anticipate every desire before a single word is spoken, setting an entirely new benchmark for automotive luxury and proving once again why Rolls-Royce continues to define the future rather than chase it.